everybody, it's your boy Jordan. We back again with These Muscles. Today I'm going to show you a squat workout. For the workout, we're going to do 15 goblet squats, 15 standard squats, and 21 legged squats. But we're going to do 10 on each leg. All these different types of squats work your quads. That's the muscles in front of your leg. Your hamstrings, that's the muscles behind your leg. Your calves, that's the muscles in the back portion of your lower leg. And your glutes, that's your butt. Before we do the workout, I'm going to show you on how to do each exercise first. So let's get to it. To do goblet squats, what you do is you hold one side of the dumbbell. You have your fingers on top. Then you have your palms cover the side and the bottom of that one side of the dumbbell. Then what you do is you have your feet shoulder width apart, but you're going to turn your feet outside. So your left foot goes outside to the left, and your right foot goes outside to the right. Then what you do is you go all the way down, come up, all the way down, come up, all the way down, come up. To do squats, let me turn to the side. What you do is have your feet in the direction you're doing your squats in. So I'm doing squats in this direction, and you see my feet is in this direction. Make sure your feet are shoulder width apart. Then what you do is you go all the way down, come up, all the way down, come up, all the way down, come up. To do one-legged squats, let me turn to the side. What you do is have your feet and your knees in the same direction you're doing your squats in. Depending on what leg you start off with. So I'm going to start off with my right leg. So I'm going to hold my left leg up. Then this goes the same way. You all go all the way down, come up, all the way down, come up, all the way down, come up. If you need help, you can always hold on to something. Go all the way down, come up, go all the way down, come up, go all the way down, come up. For the workout, I want you to do 3 sets, but I'm about to show you 1 set. So first we got 15 goblet squats. Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now we got 15 squats. Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now we got 20 one-legged squats. We're going to do 10 on each leg. Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch to the other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that's the end of the video. Just remember, for the workout, you do 3 sets. So when you do your first set, you rest for 30 seconds to a minute. Second set, then you rest 30 seconds to a minute. Then your third set, then you're done with the workout. If you enjoyed the video, please show your support by subscribing and also hitting the bell and select all to get all the notifications. Like the video, comment more video ideas below, share this video with your friends and family. Follow These Muscles on Instagram @TheseMuscles. And These Muscles!